Welcome. Today we're diving into a useful feature on Instagram, how to unsend a GIF from a group chat using your PC. With the latest update, this process has become straightforward and efficient. So let's get started. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your messages seamlessly. Once you're in, look for the Messages icon located in the left menu. This icon resembles a paper plane and is typically found at the bottom of the sidebar. Click on it to enter your direct messages. Next, you'll want to open the group chat where you sent the GIF. Scroll through your conversations until you find the group you're looking for, and click on it to open the chat window. Now comes the crucial part, finding the GIF message you want to unsend. Once you locate it, hover over the message, and you'll see 3 dots appear next to it. Click on these dots to reveal more options. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Unsend. A confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you're sure you want to unsend this message. Confirm your choice by clicking on the appropriate option. And just like that, the GIF message will be removed from the group chat. Remember, once you unsend a message, it disappears for everyone in the conversation, regardless of whether they've seen it or not. It's important to note that while unsending is a quick fix for any accidental sends, timing is key. If someone has already viewed your GIF before you unsend it, they will still remember it even though it's no longer visible in the chat. That wraps up our guide on how to unsend a GIF from a group chat on Instagram using your PC. This feature is perfect for maintaining control over what you share with friends and groups. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.